Today, we are taking a look at the Skyline Patrol Car ER34 for the 2001 model year kit from Aoshima. It is today's What's in the Box. Hey everyone, and welcome into the garage. So we're taking a look at the Nissan Skyline ER34 2001 Japan Police Patrol Car kit. Just got here reissued shortly, the last couple of weeks actually. This tooling goes back to 2018 when it was initially released as the 25 GT Turbo for the 2001 model year. Then they also did a wheel option kit at the same time. Then last year they did the 25 GTX for the 1998 model year. 124 scale curb side kit. Let's check it out. Getting started with the body, and you can see it is a multi-piece body. Taking a look now at all the body parts trees. The main ones, you have the hood and fenders. You have side view mirrors and some side moldings. Front bumper. Rear bumper. And spoiler for the trunk. Getting started with the chassis plate, which you can see has a good amount of the detail molded to it. Some of it anyways. This is also going to be the interior floor as well. You build the interior from that side. There's no separate interior tub. And now taking a look at the suspension parts tree. Taking a look now at the interior parts tree. So you have to look at the dash, the seats. And so you have a couple of choices. Two center console pieces, two steering wheels, a choice of pedals. You can do automatic, standard, different variations. And the rear seat. Now we're going to take a look at all the police parts for this kit, or the new parts for this kit. Start with the main parts tree, main police parts tree. You have the chrome parts tree, has the rotors for the light bar and a couple other items. And now the light bar ends, and what I naturally think of is a bug deflector, but I don't think that's what it's for, or what it does. But it goes on the hood, middle of the hood, and I think it's a sign or something. I'm not sure. And the light bar. Top of the light bar. And now taking a look at the chrome parts tray. You have the headlight, tail lights, the grille, mirror faces, exhaust tips. Now we're going to take a look at the clear parts tree. As you can see, it has all the clear parts. One of the sunroof options. Turning our attention to the wheels. Now turning our attention to the rowdy rounds. A set of Yokohamas, along with 4 springs, the polycaps, and the metal pieces to make the license plates. And a random sunroof insert piece. I believe this is going to be used if you want to sunroof delete. Now we're going to take a look at the decal sheet and masking sheets first. The main window mask sheet. You have windows masks for pretty much all the windows. And a masking sheet to do for the paint job to mask, do the black and the white. Kind of cool there. And the actual decal sheet, which is pretty full. You got a lot of, I guess you have a couple of number options there, and others. I can't tell you exactly, can't tell you any of it because I don't really know. But you'd have some number options, I can tell you that much. Finally, some metal transfers, it looks like there. Yeah. Skyline, Nissan badging, and what. So that, my friends, is going to do it for this look at the Skyline patrol car ER34 for the 2001 model year kit from Aoshima. We call it the Nissan Skyline patrol car. I need to stop buying these ER34 kits. Just have too many of them, and it's not a great kit, to be honest. So, on that note, guys, thanks for watching.